Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkim. In today's video we'll be doing a hair bundle using braiding hair. Guys, see how slick this look. It's almost looking like a real hair bundle. You can't say that this was gotten from this. So without wasting much time, let's go straight into this tutorial. So I'm using this Darling Superstar. It comes with two in a pack. I'll be using one part of the hair, which is this, to make this hair bundle. Now because of this tutorial, this is just what I'll be using, but if you want to have a full bundle or more bundles, you will use a pack or two to make yours. So I'll cut this into two equal parts, then draw it. Now I don't want my hair bundles to be having this blunt cut. That is why I'm drawing it, and this is what it looks like. After drawing the attachment, I'll just use my brush and brush it out properly. Make sure it is properly detangled before using it to make my hair bundle. This is the thread I'll be using for this hair. It's a normal sewing thread. I'll just roll this into 4 equal parts just so it has this thickness, and so the weight of the attachment while I'm doing it does not pull it down. So that's what I'm
Oh,